Hi, I'm Michael,
And today,
and we're going to open some
more Mega Evolution.
our last set pack. Our last set pack
I hope
of
we get good.
Mega Evolution. Hindi kami nakabili ng booster box, hindi kami nakabili ng ETB. Nagkaroon ng drop nung Friday, yung Friday nagkaroon ng drop ng 330, hindi natin nabili kasi inubos ng bot. So, wala. Ito na lang last natin. Kung makabili pa tayo, then good. Pag wala, ito na last
Could we
natin.
even find more?
Yeah. So the question is,
Bubuksan ba or
o tatago panghabang buhay. Tingnan natin ang ang ganda ng cup ni Andre. May Pikachu and Magic the Gathering na pin.
Wait, did you put that?
Yes, of course. Binili ko yan kahapon sa may Big Boys, sa may Glorieta.
Now you will teach me how
Wala akong nakita kahapon sa Glorieta, SM Makati, Glorieta, Landmark, wala akong
Now
nakita.
you need to teach me how to do Magic the Gathering because it's in my head.
Anyway, so 4 packs, tingnan natin.
Pack battle.
ETB sana for the Shield Collection, but unfortunately, naunahan tayo ng mga
Booster
bots.
box,
Wala tayo
booster
na...
box.
Pumila pala kami nung release day nung 26 September 26. Pumila kami ng quarter to 6 a.m. Pero may nauna sa amin kasi may nagpumila ng 1:30, 2:30, and 3. Tapos kami quarter to 6 pang 9, 10, 11 na kami. Tatlo kaming pumila para makabili. So, ito lang. Ito na. Last na set natin. Last set natin dito.
I pick this.
So, dalawa. Okay, ito sa akin. Sige, pack battle tayo. Sino ba bato? Sino muna? Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Sino, panalo ka? Sino una? Okay. So, wala pa, hindi pa namin nakukuha yung mga chase cards namin. But,
why is it so slow there?
hindi ko rin na yung bitrate yata problema.
Wait, I feel something. I smell something good here.
Yun, maganda yan. Smell something.
It's different from
Ayun natin,
others.
si Paring Requesa, at saka si Maring...
We got best and second. First place and second.
Pampa good vibes, ano ba?
This smells weird and this is the first time I ever smelled
So,
this.
ayan, igaganan mo. Dapat ipagpag mo dyan. Oy!
I bless good luck on you.
Huwag mo nang pakita, pwede.
Seed dot.
Di kita. Taas mo ng konti kami mo.
Seed dot.
Di kita. Yan. Sige
Raj, we could get yung golden.
Oo. Carnivore.
Stapol. Brown.
Ayusin mo yung kasi hindi nakikita.
Is this just it's just a fire centipede na drainage, right?
Yeah. Crawl down.
Mr. Crab.
Mr. Crab.
Without a body. Just regular crab. Scrap metal.
Ako naghang yung ating Naghang. Nako po, ano nangyari? Iron Defender.
Hello, Mavericks.
Kailangan natin yan anyway. Wala. Kailangan din natin yan. And
what's the difference, man?
Man. Alright.
It's coming from this pack which smells weird.
Ano natin? Pampaswerte.
This pack smells
Okay.
weird.
Carnivore pack. Tingnan natin. My first pack for
Why does this pack smells weird?
Pack pa. Anong amoy?
Same from others.
Oh, okay.
Same
Carnivore.
pack. Nice.
Same pack sa
Good
So,
luck.
totally meron na kaming 4, 8, 12, 16. Pang 16 packs na natin to.
Could we get a god pack in one of these?
May God pack pa dito? I don't think so.
I think. How about double hitters?
Okay, guess the energy.
I forgot to do that.
Ano?
Fire.
Leaf. Oh, okay.
Pikachu.
Si Tyrone.
Tyron.
Snover. Bailiff.
It looks like a vegetable.
Spearow.
Brown.
Volcanion,
Volcano.
Premium Power Pro,
That looks like...
Tangrowth, ay kailangan natin to, alam ko wala pa tayo nito.
No, we already
Frostmoth,
have that.
Reverse Holo Frostmoth, and Hey! Illustration Rare Gumshoes. Ooh, can we get double hit? Tingnan natin. Wala, Steelix. Marami na tayong Steelix.
Eh, but we have one illustration.
Siyempre, kailangan natin lagay sa ating perfect sleeve to protect our collection and investment. Kung nasaan ka man doon, parang awa nyo na sa mga scalpers. Huwag nyo naman ubusin. Parang awa nyo na. Huwag nyo ubusin yung cards. Ang hirap bumili at SRP. Ay, nako. First hit of the day. Tignan natin.
And it's an illustration rare.
Illustration Rare Gumshoes.
Even the lightning is happy for us. It's making bus shop.
Yo. Okay, lagyan natin dyan.
Open.
Kasi dapat ginaganon mo eh. Ipaikutin mo kay ano yan, mahiwaging paring shiny Rayquaza.
And my golden Beyblade.
Alright.
Beyblade.
Second pack.
Lucario, wait. Like what we do. Good luck.
Huwag ipapakita yung code card kasi gagamitin natin eh. Ginagamit namin ng code card kaya
Oh,
pasensya
this
na.
smells different from the others.
Ano ba amoy nito? Baho.
And do you smell this? It smells
Sige na.
different. It smells different.
First hit of the day.
If we get Pikachu, what will we do?
Pikachu? May Pikachu ba dito?
Here is the Pikachu. Guess the
Metal.
what's the white?
Colorless. Sayang. Sige.
Sayang. Psyduck.
Sige.
This looks like
Pika Pink.
this looks like a
Sige.
pink small bear.
Grivard.
That dog.
Psychic Dog. Sandshrew.
Yo, this
Ang ganda ng artwork oh.
if
ang
this
ganda
was
ng
an
artwork niya.
illustration, right, I will be screaming right now.
Ganda ng ano niya.
Oh,
I
come
like
on.
the artwork.
You already have this.
Spearow.
Brown bear, brown bird.
Intel, wala tayo niyan. First time tayo nagkaroon ng Intel yun. Out of 16 packs.
This looks like a very long frog with leg, with very thin leg. Time fish.
Ayan, bago yan sa atin. Wala pa yata tayo.
Time future. Snuckle.
Nako.
Snuckle.
Nako. Okay, next. Reverse Holo. Kung meron hit dyan, yan na yun. Next niyan. Sige, maybe EX. At least
Give it
EX.
good luck. Give it good luck.
Yeah. Oh.
At least it's not what you got in your last video.
Alright.
At least it's not the hit what you get in the last
Last
video.
pack magic. Last pack magic. Please naman. Please. Something good. Something better. Something best.
Something better than a Mega Kangistan. Golden Lucario.
Last pack. Last pack of Mega Evolution. Wala tayong sinild ngayon kasi ETB sana isisil natin. But unfortunately, inubos ng bot nung nag-drop ng Max sa Max off. So, wala tayong nakuha.
If
And
we get a card,
wala naman palagi sa data bits.
if we get a card top, then we're gonna play. Okay.
No. Ugali mo kasi. Kaya ako magandang Valorant yan. Anyway.
But I want to get Godzilla card.
Okay.
Energy.
Guess the energy. Fire.
Blue. Water.
Water. Oh, lightning again. Okay, last pack magic.
Shine for Zapdos.
Ano yan? Numel.
Blue Frog.
Krogunk. Spoink.
Oink.
Snover again. Magnezone again.
Wait.
Wallis. Teka lang. Wallis. Oh, what happened?
You need to wait until it could show that.
Maulan kasi ngayon eh. Parang may bagyo sa amin kaya siguro mabagal. Wait. Huwag mo gano'n. Oh my. Ang pangit ng quality. Oh, may gulay. Wait lang.
Sabi, good luck.
Hindi, sa cellphone okay. Yung bitrate lang. Paano ba ayusin ito? Ayaw.
Yung siya pala,
Yeah.
okay. Wallis Compassion.
Wallis Compassion. Pyroar.
Fire Lion Tiger.
Okay.
Oh, Mega Signal. Mega Pokemon is right here. Maybe we would get yung full arts. We could get a full arts.
Last. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari. Dialga, Reversal, and... Oh! Mega Kangaskhan EX!
You already have that.
Meron tayo ito?
Yeah. You already have that.
Anong wala tayo full art?
Yeah.
It's still a hit!
You're more happier
still a
to
hit.
get that more than this.
It's still a hit. Can you get the binder? Yung color red. Nandun sa ano natin.
The Mega Signal was correct. We got the Mega Pokemon. But we already have it.
Inaano ko yung Lucario eh. Full art pala dapat, no? Hindi kasi full art to eh.
There's multiple red.
Yung red sa baba.
Nothing
No. Not sa, just sa ano, second to the last. Pang ano ba, pang first floor kung ano. Tingnan mo, Mega Evolution nakapangalan. So, 2 hits lang out of 4. Okay. Yung first part natin kasi, yung first 4 natin, nakatatling hit tayo. Yung second set natin ng 4, nakadalawang hit tayo. Yung Friday, nagbukas din tayo 4. Isa lang nakuha natin. And this time, our last 4 packs, nakakadalawa tayo. It's not the best cards, but it's a hit. A hit is a hit. So, tingnan natin ang ating Mega Evolution binder. Ayusin natin to. Excuse me. Huwag mo tapon yan, ha?
You got two Lucario.
Pakaano nga nang nahulog? May nahulog kanina eh. Nasaan na yung mga tapas na? Ayusin natin.
Wow.
Ayusin natin.
Could you put a pack instead of a pack?
I don't think so.
Let's see.
Ano natin, ayusin lang po natin para makita nyo ng maganda, ng malaki ang ating binda. Yan, tingnan natin ang ating binder. Samahan nyo na rin kaming ilagay ang last, wala na kaming sealed na may evolution. Bukas na
We could
lahat.
buy one.
Yeah, but why?
To have it
Tingnan natin.
killer. Not even a single one in the first page.
Hindi, wala talaga yun.
Huh?
Binakante ko talaga yun.
Wait, what?
Ano mo, ayusin mo i-color coding mo.
Why is it here one? Why is it not?
I-color coding mo.
Okay.
Yan. Color coding. Ano iba? Buhay pa yung ating ano eh. Red trainer. Energy. Fire, white, green. Ay, may sharon tayo. White. Fighting. Meta. Sana? Meta.
Next,
White. Blue.
fire.
Fighting. Energy. Green. Uy, ano ba? Hindi mo may inayos.
Because you took it. You took it before I was
Okay.
done.
So,
And there's still fire. Then you forgot the fire.
unahin natin ang...
There's no fire.
Okay. Sige, kunin mo to. Hawakan mo muna to. Ayusin natin. So, sa green muna tayo. Number 13. Meron na tayo. 9. Meron na rin tayo. 7. Meron na tayo. Meron na tayo. Okay. Wala tayong pinasok sa green. Sa leaf. Fire. Tingnan natin ng fire. Ito, kailangan natin ito wala. 26. 5, 26.
Wowie.
Wait lang. Yan. 21. 21. Okay, good. 24. Meron na.
Why were you excited
29.
about 24?
Meron na. 25. Meron na. Okay, next is 43. Hindi pa. 35. Ito, 36. 35. Meron na. So, 41 and 43. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. So, ito sa atin dito.
So
Sa
the
green.
EX, the regular
Wait lang.
EX.
Ito may EX kami.
It looks like an old one.
Pahinga ko nung ano. May Intel yun, ano. Pinasok natin yan. Lightning.
You're all mag
Oh, lahat nga. 47. 48. O dito, 47.
Then put all of-
And yeah. Okay, next, psychic.
There's 3 again.
Meron na aso 62. Ito dito, yun.
Evolution.
65.
Yes, it's evolution.
Oh, yun, fighting.
You got a lot.
Kailangan sakto.
You only got 4.
Kailangan na natin to. Ito, kailangan natin to yan. 73. 72. 73. Tapos 78. Ito, sakto. Dark.
Just 1.
1 lang. 85. 86, 85. Uy, nice. Buti pumasok pa. Next is metal. Dami ng Steelix. Marami ng Steelix. Ay, ano nga? Pangalawa nga. Dalawa na.
Told you.
May gulay.
Let me keep it.
Pwede. Kailan mag-1? Ayun, sakto. Reverse.
Where should we put that then? Where do you put the reverse? Better than the hollow.
Ayan. Ang ano nito, oh. Yung, ang ang pangit ng cut ng ano. Hindi siya center, pero at least marami tayong to.
White.
White light. Extra natin yan. Baka pwede natin pang trade.
Trade everyone. I think everyone got that.
Okay. Ayun. Pangit ang mga center nito. 103. 103. 111. 8. Meron na. Okay. Wala na. Ayun na. Trainer.
That's a whole deck. That's almost like a whole deck there. Check below.
132. And 128. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32.
Show our illustration
Ayan,
there.
illustration rare. Tapos, illustration rare, mega. Ito yung hinahanap natin na Kangaskhan, full art. Yan, kaso hindi natin nakuha. 152. Ano to? Ito lang 153. 55, 54, 53.
Right
So,
next to Steely.
50, 51, 52, 53.
Oh, now you're not lonely.
Ito, ano natin. So far, out of 16, after 16 cars, ang hit natin is
1.
1,
2.
2, 3,
4.
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7, 8.
8.
8 out of 16, kalahati, 50%. Nyak.
Yan, yan, yan.
So, lagyan natin dito yung mga yan.
You said you could, you said you could trade it.
Yeah,
Are we gonna trade it? List it on,
depende.
are we gonna list it on
Alright.
Shopee?
That's it for our Mega Evolution binder. So, as palagi, di natin ulit mamamaster set dahil ang hirap bumili para i-master set siya. Lagi naman ganun ang nangyayari kasi inuubos
Daddy,
ng ating
we have 18 extras and that's almost 2 packs. That's almost, could you even fit that in 1 pack?
So that's it. Again, I'm Michael
Andre,
and we just opened some
Pokemon.
Mega Evolution base set 4. The last 4 na meron kami from our seed collection. Nung pumila kami ng napakaaga sa Robinson Antipolo. But that's it. So hopefully maka-open pa kami para madagdagan ng ating binder. And see you sa next release. Sa ano yung release nun? Pasma Shalfe. Basta yung flame. Again, bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye. See you again. Maybe tomorrow or next week.
Bye.
Bye.